for Human Nature Generation, in its quest to serve the quality life of the most vulnerable groups in Zambia today, brought joy to mothers attending to their sick children at UTH by donating blankets and groceries. HHNG Director William Inambao joined in the distribution with these members. The mothers were so grateful for the gesture. And UTH Assistant Public Relations Officer Natalie Mashkolo also expresses joy for the gesture and commends other stakeholders.
And we are privileged because of the many many places where donations can go. People decide to choose UTH, and so we are very grateful for that. So,
meanwhile, HNG Director William Inambao had this to say.
We had observed that there are certain group of people who are suffering, who need social-based needs, at least for them to have hope, for them to be cured with the disease that they have. So this organization, it was formed in 2013, November. Then we started our operation, that was last year in June. Then from there, we did our first fundraising work, and then we had done some donation to UTH that was in June 21. So the main...
And Mr. Inambao has urged Zambians to supplement government's efforts to help the vulnerable groups in society.
Otherwise, social welfare is really doing its good job by assisting these people. One of the biggest problems like it, there are very few organizations and individuals who assist in this most vulnerable group. As you are aware that the Bible says that in Deuteronomy 15 verse 11 it says that there will be always poor people in the land. So whenever you see somebody who is suffering, give that person the hand. Because that thing doesn't just come to us, but that thing, it has been there even in the Bible. It has been prophesied in the Bible. So let us all come together and assist these vulnerable groups. And our major plans that we have, we are yet to open.
Pamela Mulenga, CBC News in Lusaka.